Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bonk. All right, your daily update was very much necessary. This is the first time in a while. I think Bonk actually started dropping down first when you compare to other meme coins, but this is the first time in a long while, or well, no, since Saturday that we had a bit of a drop. Saturday until Sunday morning, we dropped down a total of about 30%. Like Bonk is very volatile. And since 6 o'clock yesterday until earlier this morning, we dropped about 32% as well. So what you might think is that, all right, that means that Bonk has actually had its reset and that the funding rates are good again, that we can actually trade Bonk. And nothing is less true. All right, we had a bit of a drop yesterday, but it has increased to new all-time highs, or at least not new all-time highs, but new tops and new highs right now. So the situation in the markets is still dire, and for Bonk, it's also still very, very, very uncertain. All right. But yeah, that's just the situation. I mean, that's been the situation for the last week. So does that really matter that much? No, I think for now, which I never really like to say that, but I think for now it's actually more important to look at the technicals. Because for Bonk, and we're just getting right into the analysis, hopefully you don't mind too much. But if you look at Bonk, I did not expect that bullish momentum we got yesterday evening. We actually got a lot. We did not manage to reach this final Fibonacci level around 50,000, but ultimately we were still very bullish. And you can see right now as well, which makes Bonk very, very interesting to me. You can see now as well that the last candle we got is a very bullish one, right? Like in the last hour, we've been very bullish. Now, if we look at all those meme coins, which I do want to have a quick look at. Here you can see them right here. You can also see that Bonk, since this morning, has by far been the strongest. And all the other meme coins are quite correlated and a little bit negative. And then Bonk is absolutely skyrocketing. So that raises a little bit of suspicion, I would say. But not only suspicion, it's also like it could be positive. But I think we need to wait for some confirmation, which I've said so much already in the last couple of days. But it is the truth, all right? In a market where the funding rates are this ridiculously high and where meme coins are entering price levels we haven't seen in ages, and for Bonk, we even went into price discovery yesterday, it's just difficult to say. Because if you look at Bonk right now, we have had a major drop. We've also had two bearish breakouts below 40,000 and below 36,500. That's bearish. But then we do see that Bonk is the strongest performer. We're getting a very strong reaction of this support at around 33,000. And you can see that the open interest is also increasing a lot again. So personally, and you see that the open interest is also bouncing against this previous open interest resistance level at around 200 or 530 million. So if the open interest breaks above that, then Bonk will also break above this level here at 41,000 and 40,000. And then there's nothing holding Bonk back. Then we can get to 50,000. We can get to 55,000. We can potentially even get to 60,000. And that's only after one bullish breakout. But whether that breakout is most likely, especially in these market circumstances, we don't know. So that's why I'm telling you, wait for that confirmation. At this moment, if we purely look at Bonk technically, what you would say is that 40,000 is our main resistance, and then our main support is 32,000. Followed up by 30,000, right? It's a strong support level. So wait for one of those two levels to break. And I think for now it's actually like there's a good chance we break above 40,000 and do something like this. But I think it's more likely if you look at the other meme coins, and if you look at the open interest for Bonk itself, which has not made any type of breakthrough, I think it's more likely to expect that we'll stay in this consolidation and eventually get some sort of a big spike down because of those funding rates. I think that's most likely, but then again, like I said, wait for that confirmation and wait until we have a little bit more price action, a little bit more development from the open interest, and then we can know more. So I'll keep you updated on that, of course, but for now, that's what you'll have to work with. But those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.